In this video, I'm going to share a few simple steps to help you fix the issue when one side of your JBL headphones isn't working. It's super straightforward, so let's dive right in and hopefully one of these solutions works for you. And if neither of these solutions solve the problem, don't worry. Leave a comment describing your issue and we'll figure it out together. First, try holding down the power button for a full minute. Just press and hold it. Don't let go. And then after the minute, press it 3 times quickly. This might reset the connection. And there's a chance the sound on the side that's not working will come back. If that doesn't help, don't worry. There's another method to try. For the second solution, make sure your headphones are turned on. Once they're on, press and hold the plus symbol and minus volume buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the headphones completely power off. You'll notice the blinking lights or indicators will stop, which means the headphones have been reset. After that, turn them back on and test if both sides are working again. Hopefully, one of these methods gets your JBL headphones back to normal. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments below.